We're here at the beautiful city of Tagaytay together with my high school buddy. And it's actually 6 o'clock. I don't know. 6 o'clock in the morning or 6:30 maybe. They're all asleep. And um, I just can't wait to tell you how grateful I am to be here right now. We've covered a lot of things. We talked about a lot of things as well. Ngayon, may mga anak na sila. May mga... Ako may ka-searcher. May boyfriend, I mean. And, proud naman ako kasi after 11 years, and still, hindi na pala running kasi may boyfriend na finally. And, sana nandito siya. Ang lamig-lamig kasi sana may kayakap ako. But then, wala siya. As usual. Pero makikita niyo na yan. I mean, ayoko mong pakita sa Friendster. Baka sa YouTube, di ba? And that, well, andito ako with Lira. And yung nagka-camera, ayan o, si Lira. Kasama yung asawa niya pala, si Ron. Ngayon ko lang siya na-meet. Si Peps nandito din. Pati si Joy, syempre. Actually, si Joy yung reason kung bakit kami nandito kami. Tingnan niyo yung ganda ng pool. Anong tawag dyan? Infinity pool. Yan. Nandito kami, 3 rooms yung covered namin. I mean, tutulog kami sa 3 rooms. And walang tao dito. This is Casablanca nga pala. I forgot to tell you. And kagabi, dumating kami dito mga 5. Ako, together with Rayan, dumating kami dito around 8. And yan, wala nang tao. But look at the view, my God. It's so beautiful here. So peaceful. Umuulan nga lang. But then, you know, this is the Philippines. Diba? And, hi. Kung sino man makakakita, bye-bye. Love you. Sino man, mga high school buddies and everything. Bye! Di ako nakapagpakilala. Tingnan mo, ako nga pala. Baka naman nakalimutan nyo. Ang mukhang pinakamaganda nung high school. Mahatma. Mahatma forever. Love you. Bye-bye.